Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have Click Torpedo with us, another Indian fountain pen from the company called Click. And before we begin, as always, please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so far. So I'll talk about the pen, my likes, dislikes, and then we'll have a small writing sample. Okay, so this is a pen from company called Click, and I think you can recognize this pen. This pen is very similar, or it is almost identical to Bina Magic. From size to the make or to the design of this pen, it is almost identical to Bina Magic. But the only difference is that Bina Magic had retractable nib and this does not. It has a fixed nib. So this pen is made of entirely plastic. Even the I think this cap is made up of a little bit metal. The metal is very thin and inside it is plastic. And then we have this finial, plastic finial, and nice, shiny body. Everything is plastic though. So the plastic looks a little bit cheap, right? And I don't like about this pen is I have to rotate a lot to open this pen, barrel of this pen. This pen is a cartridge converter pen, and there are a lot of threads on the screw of this barrel. It takes ages to open this barrel. Right, the cap is quite good. The clip is also very functional. It is a little bit tight, but that is fine. It is a pop mechanism pen. So the cap just pops up and then it can be posted, but you can put some scratches if you try to post it very firmly. It does not post firmly. It's a small pocket pen. It is not a big pen. So you can see when compared to Parker Frontier, it is smaller than Parker Frontier, and it is a very pocket friendly pen. It can be put into pocket easily. So the nib of this pen is a stock nib. I don't know from which company it is, and it is a steel nib, and the feed is plastic. Okay, so let's have a small writing sample. Okay, so the pen is Click Torpedo, and ink is Pilot Black. Okay, so this pen, the nib gives a lot of feedback. You can hear a lot of noise when you write on the paper. A little bit scratchy nib, but the flow of the ink in this pen is very good. It's a very juicy, pen. The feed is keeping up very well, due to which the scratchiness of the nib is not felt very much. If this pen dries out a bit, then it will become more scratchy. So otherwise there is no issue with this pen. It is writing very well. You can see how much wet this pen is. The ink is gushing out actually. It does not have any line variation. It is fine tipped, and no line variation. So the wetness of this pen makes it a good writer, and anyhow if it dries it will be a little bit scratchy. So about the price of this pen, so this pen costs around 300 rupees, and I bought this from Amazon. You can get this from Amazon and maybe from other manufacturers and distributors like ASAPens.in also. And for this price range, I think this is a good pen. This is a good pen for this price range. Good to have pen. You can, if you're a pen collector, then this can be a good addition to your collection. And as always, thanks for watching the video. Hope this video helps. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Thank you. Bye bye.